Let's practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. Buying groceries. Conversation between shopkeeper Tom and customer Lily. I'll play the role of customer and you'll play the role of shopkeeper. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. Let's start.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I need some fresh vegetables, please.
Sure, we have fresh tomatoes, carrots, and spinach. How much would you like?
I'll take half a kilo of tomatoes and a bunch of spinach, please.
All right. Anything else?
That's all for now. How much is it? It's $5 in total. Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. I'll definitely come back for more.
I'll look forward to it.
Bye for now. Let's practice your English. Now. Good morning. I need some fresh vegetables, please. I'll take half a kilo of tomatoes and a bunch of spinach, please. That's all for now. How much is it? Here you go. Thank you. You too. I'll definitely come back for more. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.